Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I haven't seen anybody complain about it yet, but a user called DeskModder that we hear regularly that gives all sorts of details about Windows has said that something is haunting some users that have unsupported hardware on their PCs for Windows 11 22H2. So last year when Windows 11 was released, actually the year before, there was a certain amount of time where insiders could actually still enroll, get Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, and run it until they actually, rolled back everybody. And a watermark appeared on those dev channel builds that said that the PC was unsupported. So that went away, and of course, a lot of people have installed Windows 11, including me, on unsupported hardware. And now it would seem that slowly creeping up on some users is this message. System requirements not met, Windows 11 and the build number that you have. And this is an old message because we didn't have one from any new computers right now that have this Windows 11 22H2, but it seems that this system system required not met Windows 11 and blah 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 is showing up on the bottom right of Windows 11 22H2 users on the build. So if we look at the latest build, which is 22621, this is who gets that watermark. So if you are on unsupported hardware, I would like to have your input. Now, if you don't have it, and I guess a lot of people don't, I don't see it on mine, not necessary to comment, but if you did start getting it, do comment below. I'm curious, and I want to know if some of you have started to see this. So only on 11/22H2, so this is only on build 22621 and on unsupported PCs. So let me know if you have that appearing, and if you do, or if enough people respond back that they're definitely I do have that message or that watermark, I'll post a video on how to remove it later on, but I don't want to post that video unless some people actually have it. So let me know if you're running Windows 11 22H2 on unsupported hardware. Are you getting a watermark that says you're unsupported on the bottom right of your desktop screen? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.